Hello everyone. Today, we are going to draw 3 forms of Vegito from Dragon Ball universe. But, we only need to create one form of Vegito, the other form we can only change the layer color. I will show you how, so stay tuned until the end of video. First, change the background color to gray. Then, create new layer for the rough sketch. In this phase, make sure that the proportion is right. Then, create another new layer for the details. You can add the details now. Start by drawing his eyes and eyebrows inside the area that we've been sketched. Then, continue with the nose and mouth. These will make you easier to draw the face line. We must correct the wrong proportion in this phase. You can add new layer to draw his hair. It will make you easier to erase the hidden part. Repeat this step for the earrings. Make the final check before we continue to the next step. Now the line art is perfect. Time to coloring. First, you must create one layer for one color only. For example, if you need 4 colors, then create 4 new layers. Why should we do it? Because we can change the colors faster in the end, if we find it wrong. After you're done with the base color, create new layer for each base color layer. Then, pick the darker color for the shadow. Repeat this step for even the darker color. So that we have 3 tone of colors. Remember to create one layer for one color only. You can use light or luminance brush for the thunder effect. And change the layer blending mode to add or overlay, you choose. Here is the final video of how to create other form of Vegito. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.